Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button below and then the bell icon to be alerted to all my new content. Some weird things been going on where I keep dropping like just one subscriber and then it goes back up. So I'm not sure if maybe somebody's accidentally hitting the subscribe and then unsubscribe, but I just wanted to put a friendly reminder to make sure you hit that subscribe button. So instead of me coming on tomorrow, Tuesday, to do my live and to do my instant premiere, I'm actually going to be doing those today. I'm going to do my instant premiere at 2 p.m. and then after my instant premiere, I'm going to come on and do my live with you guys. So that way it's even earlier than normal. Normally we do them on Tuesdays at 7 p.m. So this way, if you guys can come on with me at 2 for the instant premiere, and then I'm going to be right over, right after the instant premiere for our live. That would be so great for me to be able to see some of your familiar faces. I will see you guys today at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for that instant premiere. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the bell icon. That way you're alerted when that instant premiere starts today and then our live right afterwards. Much love. Thank you so much to everybody who supported the channel or just even watches the videos, even if you don't subscribe. I just really genuinely appreciate each and every one of you. You really don't understand where I wouldn't be this far if it wasn't for you guys. So I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.